pound. To hit something hard again and again. Example: she pounded on the door until someone opened it. Perhaps. Maybe, it could be true or happen. Example: perhaps we'll go to the beach if it doesn't rain. Stagger. To walk unsteadily, like you're going to fall. Example: he staggered into the house after the long hike. Repent. To feel sorry for something bad you did. Example: she repented for lying to her friend. Debris. Pieces left after something is destroyed or broken. Example: after the storm, the street was full of debris. Agony. Intense pain or suffering. Example: he was in agony after falling off his bike. Tenant. A person who lives in a house or apartment they don't own. Example: the tenant pays rent every month to the landlord. Trample. To step on something hard and damage it. Example: people trampled the flowers while rushing out of the concert. Damp. A little wet or moist. Example: his shirt was damp after the light rain. Isolated. Far away from others, alone. Example: the cabin was in an isolated forest.